Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So you can see it, Facebook no internet connection, try again. So how you can fix it and why you see this error? So mostly it happened because you just have problems with your internet. So just go to the settings on your phone and just check your internet connection. So just open the Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. After, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and if you see here not open but get, just tap on get button and wait, update, that means that you have available updates for your Facebook, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.